Welcome back to our art studio. Today we're going to be doing a picture that has to do with positive and negative shapes. You're going to need 2 colors of construction paper, some scissors, and a glue stick. One of your papers you're going to fold in half, and you're going to cut that into 2 pieces. Now that we have a half sheet of one color and a full sheet of the other color, we're going to take our half sheet and we're going to fold it in half again. And we're going to cut a shape out. So we're going to cut on the fold. And we cut out a shape. And the shape that we cut out is a positive shape. And that's usually what you think about when you use a collage, you do something. But you also have a hole, and that hole is a negative shape. So now we have a positive shape and a negative shape. And we're going to continue with that. I've got this positive shape, and I want a little something in the middle. So I'm going to cut another shape out. Now I have a hole in the middle of my positive shape. I'm going to put that over there. And this extra piece that I have, I'm going to put over here in the middle of this one. What if I wanted to make something in this empty space down here? So I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut not all the way to this shape, but just a little bit into that area. And I'm going to cut kind of an edge here. Get that out of there. So now I have another shape that can come over here to be with this part, a positive and a negative shape. I have an empty space over here, and I'm thinking I want to do something making that same type shape. Maybe I'm going to come over here on this side. I'm going to go ahead and draw it in so I can kind of have an idea where I want to put this shape. So now I know where I want to cut it out, so I can cut out this other side. Okay, so I cut this piece out of here, and I'm going to put it now on my other side over here to fill up some of this pink space. But now I've got a hole here. So what am I going to do with that hole, since I want my pink on one side and purple on the other? I'm going to take my other piece of pink, and I'm going to glue it on the back so it becomes another pink edge. Now, your pieces that you're cutting out do not have to be a shape that is realistic or that you can recognize. It could just be an unusual abstract shape. So you could take your piece of paper and just cut an interesting edge out. But just remember that whatever you do on one side, you have to flip it over to the other side so that you're going to have a positive and a negative space. Now that I have my shapes cut out, the next thing is going to be to glue it together. I'm going to start with that piece that I put in the background behind my purple. So I'm going to start with that and put some glue on it and glue that piece down. I'm going to turn over my pink piece of paper, and I'm going to put glue on the back of it so that I can glue that piece down on top of my purple. Okay, now I have that pink part glued down. And then remember this abstract line we cut out? Well, I want that other piece to be next to it, so I'm going to take it and put glue on the back of it. And line it up with my other side. Glue that down. Now I'm going to glue into there my different spaces. I've got my pink edge here. Oops. Wrong side. Glue it down. And my purple's going to go back on this side. So I need to remember which side I'm putting the glue on. Okay, I got the glue on the back of that. I'm going to bring it over, glue it down. I need my flowery type shape over here. Glue it on this side. I need my center. Glue it on that side. Now I have a positive and negative shape design. You could do something like this. Make it into a placemat, make it into a Mother's Day card, whatever you want to do with it.